As an engineer, you always seek ways to improve efficiency and cut project costs. Power supplies are a critical component that can impact both. So, choosing a high-quality, reliable option is essential. The innovative LRS-N2 series from Meanwell delivers an efficient, cost-effective power solution with robust features to maximize uptime, optimize performance, and protect critical systems. With efficiency levels of up to 94% and a compact, lightweight design, the Meanwell LRS-N2 series is an ideal solution for many applications. These include emergency lighting systems, industrial automation machinery, industrial control systems, mechanical and electrical equipment, and motor loading applications. The LRS-N2 series provides the capability of instantly providing 200% peak power for 5 seconds without increasing the runtime wattage. This feature enables the power supply to effectively provide temporary power surges that surpass the rated wattage, thereby reducing the necessity to oversize the power supply. The LRS-N2 series ensures precise regulation, which effectively minimizes power interruptions and fluctuations that have the potential to cause damage to equipment or hinder productivity. It can accept a wide input voltage range, decreasing the need for additional components to regulate the input voltage, reducing wasted energy, cost, and points of failure. With a constant focus on innovation and meeting customer needs, Meanwell continues to push the envelope on power supply design and performance. The new LRS-N2 series is a testament to their ability to solve real-world problems and add value for users. Jameco offers thousands of Meanwell power products in stock and ready for same-day shipment. We also provide customized services and long-term partnerships to corporations and government agencies. We are here to assist you with your sample and quote requests. Let us know how we can help. Visit us at jameco.com or call us at 800-794-9100 and tell us your power requirements.